Hello and welcome to Total Student. Let's take a brief walkthrough of the platform. When you first log in as an admin, you will begin on your dashboard page. This page will show all of your personal stats when available. Next is the school dashboard page. As admin, you will be able to see all of the stats for your school. Simply click on each section to display the details. Our next section is school organizations. This page will show all of the organizations in your school. Moving on to the Membership tab, this will show all of the memberships held by users in your school. The Membership Request page shows all of the users who have pending requests to join organizations. The verification section is where you can create and view location categories. Under locations, you can view and create new locations for school events. In the Event tab, you can create school event categories to organize your events. Next is the Rewards section. In this section, you can view and create rewards that are redeemable by the users in your school. You can also see the rewards that have been requested by students. Lastly is the Administration section. This section allows you to change organization units, user roles, upload and view all users, and change settings like time zone and appearance. Thank you for watching the admin overview video. Please watch our next videos for a tutorial of each section.